Khadc Deputy Chief Executive Member PN Aim said all private banks operating within the jurisdiction of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council will have to obtain a trading license from the council. The council's licensing officer has issued a notice to the banking institutions in this regard according to the provisions laid down under the United Khasi Jaintia Hills District Trading by Non-Tribals Regulation of 1954. He said any trade or business for profit that includes the exchange of goods or services for other goods or money shall come under the purview of Section 2, subsection 5 of the regulation. He, however, said the council will examine whether the nationalised banks such as State Bank of India or Meghalaya Rural Bank fall under the regulation. However, it may be noted that the Canara Bank and the UCO Bank are nationalised banks.
Section 2.5 ng Khasi Hills District Trading by Non-Tribal Regulation 1954 kala bakal siya kamu ka service lagalong hadiyo dat kamu ka benta kakam siya bakin haban haka Trading by Non-Tribal Regulation 1954 Section 2 subsection 5 Kelakon siya kumuli service for money which shall include trade. Kamu kabadi ka services beda bagi kamu bisa tingkat kan haplan hakanika Khasi Hills District Trading by Non-Tribal Regulation 1954.
The state government